Let's start off with CCTV visuals that India Today's accessed of the Republic Day violence that really shows you the extent of chaos, of violence that was unleashed by some protesting farmers on Republic Day. On your screens are the visuals that we've accessed, CCTV footage that shows you how violent things got in the heart of the national capital. Anisha Mathur is joining us with more details on this. Anisha, as we beam these visuals, one of many that we've really received in the last 2 days that shows you the scale of violence, the scale of chaos and vandalism that was reported in the national capital. Just get us up to speed with how the investigation is really moving forward.
Well, Akshita, the police has registered multiple FIRs. 21 FIRs have been registered, naming various persons, including the leaders of the farmer agitation. Yesterday, we also saw the police chief holding a press conference and saying that anybody whose name comes up, anybody who we see on the footage will be investigated. There will be a SIT investigation, most likely. The special cell, the crime branch, everyone will be investigating. The Delhi police has decided to take this as seriously as it is possible to take, and all divisions of the Delhi police will be coming together to investigate. What is also going to be very important is how they go about probing the role of the various factions and various leaders. We saw some of the factions breaking away yesterday with BKU Bhanu and one other organization saying that we do not want to be part of this. On the other hand, we also saw the farmer leaders themselves, the 40 farmer leaders who have of the Sanyukt Kisan Morcha, disassociating themselves with the violence, with what happened on 26th of January. They saying that this is not something that we allowed, and they have raised the allegation that outside elements with the help of the authorities came in as a deliberate attempt to malign the farmer protest. But remember, several of these senior leaders have been named in the FIRs by the Delhi police, and with the visuals that we are seeing for the last 2 days, on the 26th, the visuals that we saw in our own cameras from our own eyes, as well as the CCTV footage that is coming out, is showing that this wasn't a one-off incident of vandalism by a splinter group. This is something that happened across Delhi,
Yes.
where the protesters decided to break through barricades, use lathis, use weapons, show swords to police personnel. We've got visuals of police personnel getting injured, of media persons getting injured. So this is going to be a very, very serious thing that the farmer leaders are going to have to face now, even though they have said that they dissociate themselves and their people were not.
Anisha, stay on with me. Look at those visuals on your screens of the kind of vandalism that the protesters resorted to. Cars being damaged there, and despite the number of police personnel present, the audacity of these protesters, they continue with their vandalism spree, completely unaffected by the police, the cops around them. They see, in fact, damaging that vehicle completely. After that, you can also see how they're pushing aside barricades with tractors. They're going full steam ahead. This is just a glimpse of the kind of violence that we witnessed on Republic Day in the national capital.
Hi everyone, Preeti Chaudhary here. Hope you like this video. For latest news and analysis, like and subscribe to the India Today YouTube channel. And don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated. Thank you for watching.